Yes, students. So let's continue further with this. 26 तो हो गया था अपना. 27 and 28. Which is the largest among the lot? Which is the rational number among the lot? Okay. अच्छा, 1 minute. Everyone, largest. पहले वो कर लेते हैं largest वाला. Largest among the lot. So what we have to do is ऑप्शन से करना है. A cos 15 डिग्री. ओके. B is tan 60 डिग्री. अच्छा, tan 60 डिग्री तो मालूम है वैल्यू √3. √3 is approximately 1.732. ठीक है, मैंने जो मेरे को मालूम था वो लिख के रख दिया. Then we'll see sec 15, sec 15 and cosec 15. cosec 15. अच्छा, everyone, ये सब acute angles हैं. That means all this is positive. Now I tell you something. Sec 15 will be more than 1. Cos 15 will be less than 1. Cos 15 को उड़ा remove. Okay. अच्छा, now can you see sec 15 and cosec 15? अच्छा, वैल्यूज लिख सकते हैं आप लोग, क्योंकि cos 15 का वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं, sin 15 का वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. लेकिन 1 minute, when it is required then we will remove. Can I say from the earlier sum itself cos 15 is greater than sin 15? Greater than sin 15. पक्का? ये अभी बात किया ना हमने. ओके. अच्छा, so its reciprocals क्या हुआ? 1 upon cos 15 and 1 upon sin 15. कौन सा बड़ा होगा? आप बताइए, कौन सा बड़ा होगा? इनइक्वालिटी में जब आप रेसिप्रोकल लेते हो, इनइक्वालिटी विल चेंज इट्स साइन. फॉर एग्जांपल 5 is less than 6 but 1/5 is more than 1/6. So if cos 15 is greater than sin 15, 1/cos 15 is less than 1/sin 15. That means sec 15 and cosec 15 में cosec 15 बड़ा. अच्छा, sec 15 को बड़ा. See, you are trying to figure out which is the largest among the lot. मतलब ये नहीं हो सकता because ये इससे छोटा ही होगा और इन दोनों में ये छोटा है, तो ये दोनों हो ही नहीं सकते. Now comparison is between these two only. इसका वैल्यू एग्जैक्ट अपने को पता है, √3 1.732 blah blah blah. ओके, ये मालूम. cosec 15, cosec 15 का वैल्यू हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ओके. आई थिंक ऑल cosec 15 ये ऐसे होगा. sin 15 निकालते हैं पहले. sin 15 you know how to do it. Okay. Do it, get it, and √3 minus 1 upon 2. √3 minus 1 upon 2. ठीक है. So can I say we are required to compare. Okay, we are required to compare. Now everyone, this is thoda critical. Listen carefully to what I am doing. √3 we have to compare with √3. No. इसका उल्टा ना, cosec है ना भाई, तो इसका उल्टा. So we have to compare with 2√2 upon √3 minus 1. Upon √3 minus 1. This is what we have to compare. तो इन दोनों में जो बड़ा होगा वही अपना लार्जेस्ट एंड आंसर. क्लियर? वेरी. अच्छा, इसको मैं थोड़ा सा रैशनलाइज करके सिंपलीफाई कर दूं. कैन आई से मल्टीप्लाई बाय √3 प्लस 1 करेंगे तो ये क्या होगा? ये बनेगा 3 minus 1 2. So this will be 2 गया and you will be left with √2 into √3 plus 1. I think it is confirmed that this is bigger than this, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ √3 है. ये √3 को 1 से ऐड करके फिर √2 भी 1 से बड़ा है, तो it will become even bigger. So I believe answer has to be cosec 50. Answer has to be cosec 50. Am I very clear about what I said, everyone? Are you sure? Okay. So cosec 15 हो गया. Then rational numbers amongst the lot. अच्छा, what is rational? Everyone, what is rational? Okay. Rational number. चलो, good. Rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, and p and q are whole numbers, are integers. Okay, whole number से better integers. So I would say 2 by 3 is a rational number. 2 by 3 is a rational number. Minus 5 by 7 is a rational number. Is a rational number. 5 upon 0 is not a rational number. 5 upon 0 is not a rational number. मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो, everyone. 5 upon 0 is not a rational number. √3 is not a rational number. √3 is not a rational number. Alright, because √3 is not an integer, so it can't be a rational number. I'm sorry, not possible. Okay, so another way, any number in decimal form, if it ends or it recurs, means what? For example, 0.5, it ends, na? 0.5, it ends, that's a rational number. 0.25 is rational number. Okay, 0.3 bar, what does this mean? This is 0.3. So I understand that is also rational. If it recurs, it's a rational number. Okay, or if the decimal ends, it's a rational number. But you know, √2 does not end in decimal form. √2 is what? √2 is 1.4142. √3 is 1.732. Unending. In decimal form, if it is not going to end, it is irrational. So this part, all of you all, मैंने जो अभी शॉर्ट में लिखा है, वापस से बोलता हूँ. आप एक नोट करके लिख के रखो. रैशनल नंबर, any number in the form of p by q. Any number in the form of p by q. Q not equal to 0. P and q must be integers. That is rational. Okay. Or in decimal form, it must end. मतलब complete. हो गया, खत्म, done. Or it must recur. 0.3 bar means 0.3, which is 1/3, recurring. Okay, 1/3 is rational, na? Because 1 and 3 both are integers, so it becomes a rational number. I've given you all examples. Okay, for that matter, let me also write down pi is also irrational. 3.14159 and pi is also an irrational number. Okay, so now what they asked me to figure out which of the following are rational numbers. ये पूछा गया. ओके, तो मैं क्या करता हूं, वो चारों ऑप्शन एक बार चारों ऑप्शन है ना. लेट्स मेक अ नोट ऑफ इट. 28 ए ऑप्शन sin 15. ये 15 डिग्री अपना फेवरेट एंगल हो गया है, जिधर देखो 15 आता है. sin 15 मेरे हिसाब से by now all you all know it is this, and sin 15 therefore cannot be the right answer because it is all root 2 root 3, they are all irrational, can't be right. Cos 15 degree root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 again irrational, gone. C is what? C is sin 15 cos 15, sin 15 cos 15. Again I know every one of us will write down these two values and simplify, है ना? अच्छा, novel way of doing it. जरा देखो. Can I say this is 1 by 2 into 2 sin 15 cos 15? These are all the tricks of the trade that you all have to learn, everyone. Okay? Can I do this? What do I do? Multiply divide by 2. Now think and ask yourself, ये सर ने क्यों किया ऐसे? Multiply divide by 2 किस लिए? क्या है इसके पीछे? 2 sin theta cos theta दिखा है? 2 sin theta cos theta का के लिए कुछ मालूम है तुम लोग को? Do you know? Think 2 sin theta cos theta किधर आया? Did it come somewhere? Yes, it did. In what formula did it come? Sin 2 theta. So this is 1 by 2 sin 30. 1 by 2 sin 30. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that means 1 by 4. And C option must be the right answer. Must be the right answer. Absolutely. In fact, all of you all, can we talk about the D as well? I mean, I know some of you are thinking, अरे इसको आंसर आया है, कैसे आगे करने का? Correct, absolutely right. If this was a test I was giving, I would have done it. But this isn't a test, ना? This is process of learning. तो आपको आगे करना चाहिए. सोचो क्या होता है? Can we find this value also? What is the last option? Sin 15 plus cos 15. Cos 15 degree plus sin 15 degree. आप में से जो अलर्ट हैं, जो समझ रहे हैं पूरा जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं, I think all of you all will easily and very clearly say, let's write this. This is 1 plus sin 30. 1 plus sin 30. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square 1 plus sin 2 theta, which means ये 1 plus half होगा, which means ये 3 by 2 होगा, and therefore cos 15 plus sin 15 will be root of 3 by 2. Irrational. C option confirm. पक्का करेगा. पक्का. Is that absolutely clear as well, everyone? Good. Okay. Please go ahead. You can make a note of it. First, you will definitely make a note of rational, and then what we done. ठीक है? अच्छा. So 30 तक मेरे हिसाब से clear हो गया. 30 तक. Okay. Now, everyone, a couple of more questions there that I want to talk about. 31 में P equal to you only tell me sin of x plus y and sin of x minus y. ये आपके पास फॉर्मूला करके है कि नहीं? sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y फॉर्मूला करके है कि नहीं? ये है क्या है? sin squared x minus sin squared y. ये डायरेक्ट अपना फॉर्मूला चार्ट में भी मैंने आपको बोला था, it makes sense for you all to actually incorporate that in your formula chart. So sin squared x minus sin squared y. Okay. Then Q is cos x plus y into cos x minus y into cos x minus y. ऐसा है. तो एवरीवन, इसमें क्या है ना, आपके पास ऑप्शंस है. ऑप्शन ये है कि cos स्क्वायर माइनस sin स्क्वायर लिखो पहले, फिर आपको जो मर्जी हो वैसे करो. Alright, as in you want to write x here, then we'll write y here. If you want to write y here, then we'll write x. So either way is fine. Okay. Now what is asked? Let us look at what is asked, and then let's look at the options. P plus Q equal. P plus Q equal. अच्छा P plus Q करके it simplifies only to sin 2x और cos 2y, cosine 2y, cos 2x ऐसा करके है. P plus Q is equal. Okay. Everyone मेरे को आ गया. Alright, P plus Q is equal to P plus Q is equal to. I tell you why I wrote y here and x there. Okay, अच्छा. Can you see sin 2x and sin 2y मेरे हिसाब से are ruled out of being the right answer because sin 2x मतलब 2 sin x cos x ऐसा प्रोडक्ट आना चाहिए. 2 sin x cos x मेरे को कैसे आएगा यहाँ पे when I am adding these kind of quantities. So what I did first was I said in the mind sin 2x sin 2y निकालो. अब बचा cos 2x and cos 2y. Cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. So if it has to be cos 2y, then it has to be cos square y minus sin square y. If it has to be cos 2x, cos square x minus sin square x. इधर sin square x already दिख रहा था मेरे को. Unless I subtract p, the minus sign cannot come here. But minus sin square y is already there here. So shall I say when I add these two, only if I put a cos square y and a sin square x, when I add this and this will get cancelled and you will end up with cos squared y minus sin squared y, and therefore the answer will be cos 2y. Therefore the answer will be cos 2y. ठीक है? अच्छा. Everyone alternatively, okay. Method 2. चलो method 2. Everyone p plus q पूछा गया. p plus q. Let's write it down as it is. Sin of x plus y into sin of x minus y. This is p, and q is cos of x plus y into cos of x minus y into cos of x minus y. ठीक है? Can I say all of you all? I am reminded of a formula straight away. I am reminded of a formula straight away. Which formula? Tell me which formula do you see in the cos A cos B? cos का टर्म बाद में लिखा है लेकिन प्लस साइन है ना बीच में, so it doesn't matter. हम लोग cos पहले लिख सकते हैं, sin बाद में लिख सकते हैं, चलेगा. So I was looking at cos A cos B and plus sin A sin B. So we are looking at whose formula is that? Cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B. A minus B. So x and x will get cancelled. Y and minus or minus. So that get added to give you cos 2. I think all of you all, that should be absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. जरा आप भी एक बार वापस देख लो. Do you understand every bit of it? Okay. Do you understand every bit of it? पक्का? Okay. And I believe 32 भी same है. पूरा एक्सप्रेशन है. Can I write the 32 वाला as this way? Cos of n plus 1 x. ऐसा है. अच्छा मैं एक बात बोलूं तुम लोगों को. Cos of n plus 1 x में can I say नेगेटिव cos of nx plus, चलो ऐसे लिखता हूं, मतलब एक अंदर भेज दिया मैंने, हाँ, एंड cos of nx plus 2x, ये भी हो गया, प्लस sin of nx plus x into sin of nx plus 2x. Again you all are looking at a formula only. Again you are looking at a formula. Whose formula? What formula are you looking at? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this becomes cos of nx plus x minus nx plus 2x. Cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. I think we have applied the formula correctly. अब ये nx और nx cancel होगा and you will left with what? Cos of x minus 2x minus x. Cos of what is cos of minus x? Cos of minus x is of x. I think all of you all. So the final answer should be cos x. ठीक है? Now everyone, इसके बाद का भी मुझे एक्चुअली करना था डिटर्मिनेंट करके, शायद सब लोगों को पता ही नहीं है व्हाट इज द डिटर्मिनेंट. Little things that we need to learn about a determinant and the evaluation of a determinant. Everyone, I think we'll stop at. Let it. We will resume discussion in our next lecture on Friday. Up to 32. Okay, up to 32. So अपना Zoom मीटिंग में भी हम लोग 32 से आगे नहीं डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, Zoom मीटिंग में भी हम लोग 32 तक आपके जो डाउट हैं, जो है, सब आप पूछ सकते हैं, राइट? अच्छा, बिफोर आई वाइंड अप ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल, मैंने ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को 50 तक करने को बोला था, 50 तक करने को बोला था, है ना? अब मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं आप 70 तक कर, 70 मतलब 20 सम और दिए मैंने. ओके, 20 सम और दिए मैंने. एंड फॉर द मोमेंट don't submit it to anyone, let it be with you. Okay, अच्छा, that does not mean that you will not do it. Okay, जब मैं असाइन टेक्सचर सेल्स का ये मांग लूंगा तब आप ये नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि सर अरे आप आज बोल रहे हो कल मांग रहे हो, लेकिन मैंने तो तुम लोग को पहले से ही कितने दिनों से बोला है कि भाई ये करते जाओ, तो लिटिल बाय लिटिल गेट दैट. लास्ट मोमेंट में नहीं होगा. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि मैं आज बोलूं कि आज शाम को 6 बजे तक मेरे को पूरा टेक्सचर सेल चाहिए, तब पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, तो आपको करके रखना है. ओके, यू विल मूव ऑन टिल 70. ठीक है? ओके, वी विल स्टॉप एट दैट एंड आई सी यू इन अ बिट, राइट? ओके.